So this is my final unboxing for 2023. I picked up 3 small items and 1 handbag from Dooney & Bourke. So if you want to see what I got, just keep watching. Hey sis, my name is Trey and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we talk about luxury and contemporary handbags and accessories, lifestyle, and just staying fly on a budget. So if those are things that you're interested in, you should go ahead and subscribe. But anyway, I want to go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. Now, this is, like I said, the last or final unboxing for 2023, but it will be 2024 before you see this. This video probably won't be uploaded for another week, so we will be well into 2024 by the time you see the items that I got. Actually, it is New Year's Eve right now, and my husband and I are preparing to get out for a little bit, and I just wanted to come on here and share these things with you guys before we got our evening kicked off. So like I said, the first thing that I got was, well, I ordered 2 SLGs and a charm. And guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, for some reason, these items came in separate boxes. So one came yesterday and one came today. And I was so tempted to open up the first box. The SLGs came yesterday. And the weirdest thing was I didn't get a shipping notification for the handbag. So I was concerned that it wasn't going to ship out, because there has been a time or two in the past where I've purchased something from Dooney that was on a sale, like maybe during the holidays, and made the order and they canceled it because it ended up being sold out. And so I was hoping that that wasn't going to be the case. But while I was thinking it was, I was going to go ahead and open it just to make sure that everything I ordered in the first box was here. But I'm glad I decided to wait so that you can see my honest reaction to what's in here. And I don't remember what I paid for each individual item, but I can tell you it's 3 things in here, and the total was $105.63. So everything, I know for one item I paid $29. I do remember $29 for one of them, and the other 2 I don't remember. So we'll start with the one that I remember, the one that I'm most excited about actually. The $29 item was the large framed navy purse, and this is in the Greta. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is real cute. So I got it in the blue. And as you can see, it has the leather Dooney patch with the gold stitching. Now, I have seen the similar coin purse with the gold Dooney plaque on the front. I think I actually like this one better. But it also has the piping that goes around the bottom that matches the leather trim. Get this off of here. Kiss lock, of course. So if we get on the inside, I'm sure you guys know what these Dooney & Bourke coin pouches look like, or kiss lock frame purses, whatever they call these. But on the front wall, there are 3 card slots, and there are also 3 card slots on the back wall. And guys, these card slots are leather lined. And then the inside, of course, is that Dooney red. And this is pretty deep. This is a nice size pouch. Just stuffing back in here. So guys, this is really pretty. So I know I've mentioned before that I've been slow to jump on the monogram or signature train when it comes to Dooney & Bourke pieces. Which is why it took me so long to purchase anything from the DB75 collection. But I'm slowly but surely coming around. And this color combination and this print to me is just gorgeous. Like the way this brown, this leather just pops against this blue. I just think this is so pretty. This would be gorgeous, I think, almost in any brand. But this is absolutely beautiful in my opinion. And so I think most definitely I'm going to end up probably getting a piece in the Greta, something else from the Greta line, a handbag. I'm looking at one of their crossbodies, but we'll see. We'll see. It'll be later on down the line. But I already know what I'm going to use this for, because I had initially purchased this Florentine large zip around credit card holder for my Florentine twist wrap hobo in the color natural. But I decided I'm going to use this for my Florentine mini satchel. Well, micro. This is the micro. My micro satchel. So I'm going to pair these. And then I'm going to use this in the twist wrap hobo. Since the hobo is larger and this is larger, and I just think this would just be so pretty. So I may look for some other coordinating pieces to go along with this to put in the twist wrap hobo, but this is definitely going in there. So this over here. The next item I got, let me see, these registration card and these, was the key fob, the Dooney duck. I know I'm so late to this train. I don't know what took me so long to get the Dooney duck, but I love how carefully they wrap this up. It's plastic on both pieces. So let's see here. Okay. Yes, this is really pretty. I don't know what bag I'm going to put this on yet, but I've got a lot of bags to choose from, and so, yeah. This was probably $20, $30 as well. Again, I got 3 items, and they were all total $105. So, this couldn't have been no more than maybe $33, if that. And of course, I will make sure that I got the retail for all of these pieces somewhere in the video, since I didn't bother to look it up before I started filming. And then the last item is another SLG. And this is, now what is this called? What is this? This is called the small zip around wallet in ecru, and it's in the Saffiano. And I got this to go with the mini Barlow that I purchased a couple of weeks ago. So I think you guys are familiar with the small zip around wallet, but with this Saffiano, you see it has the gold Dooney plaque here, but there is actually a front pocket. I have a small zip around wallet in another leather, and I don't think it has a front pocket on it. So this has a front pocket, and then when you open it up, there are 4 card slots on each side. And then you have, you know, the compartment for bills. And then there's a compartment for change on the back. So very nice wallet. So I told y'all I'm trying to step my accessory game up. I used to not like to be matchy-matchy with my accessories when it came to pairing stuff with my handbags. And I still don't have to have everything match exactly. But I do want to start, I just want to build my collection of small leather goods so that I actually have pieces that match my handbags when I do want to match them up. And then I can always mix and match, but it's just nice to have more than 1 or 2 wallets. So that's that. So those were my 3 small pieces. So let's get to what y'all are really here for. So this year has been full of ups and downs for me, and it's also been a year full of blessings, so it's nothing, I don't have anything to complain about really, but I'm just really ready to get the new year started. And one of the main things that I'm really working on in 2024 is just really just working on becoming the best version of myself. You know, and there are a lot of areas that I want to work on, but my stewardship over my finances is definitely going to be one that I really, really work hard on next year. So that doesn't mean that there won't be a lot of unboxings, because I'm still going to buy bags. Like, I've budgeted for that. However, I'm going to be more mindful about what I buy and make sure that I'm buying stuff, like I've said previously, that actually fits in my wardrobe and lifestyle. And you'll also probably be seeing a lot more like bags with tags type videos for me, because I still have quite a few bags that I've been holding on to that I haven't worn. And so I'm really going to be trying to shop my closet more and just be more mindful. So throughout the year, I'll probably share a little bit with you guys about other things that I'm working on in terms of, you know, just self-improvement. But that was just something that's just really been on my mind this week. And going into the new year, I just kind of want to be mindful of that. Because the sales are still going to be selling regardless to what your financial goals are. So you have to make a conscious decision to be disciplined and stick with your goals that you set for yourself. So this bag is something that I saw. I don't remember who it was, but I saw someone unbox this bag in the color navy. And she's the only person, the only other person who I've seen with this bag. I've searched and searched and searched. And I don't know if maybe this is something that Dooney and Burke just released and people just don't know about it. But y'all, I picked up the Florentine baguette in the color ecru. Let me put this box down. So y'all, when I saw the silhouette, and y'all know I like a baguette, you know, so it was a no-brainer. And then in the Florentine leather, it says I didn't have anything in ecru. I figured I would go ahead and get it. Now, this particular bag was, I think I paid $125. What did I pay for this? I paid $125.30 for this. So with tax, it was $136.89. Now, if I remember correctly, just a couple of days ago, this bag was like $119, maybe even $99. It was like less than what I paid for it. It was a few dollars less. So like I said, I paid $125.30, but it's a little cheaper right now. So, and it came in multiple colors. It also came in navy blue, like I said, because that's the unboxing I watched. It came in black, red, and I believe it also came in brown Timoro. So let's get her out of the wrapping. Let's see here. This is 25 of 50. Okay. So this leather is smooth. I'm just looking her over, checking out the stitching. She has 4 feet on the bottom. You guys can see here. And it's got the gold stitching. Let me get this wrapping off of the handles, because I'm definitely keeping her. So the lady who unboxed this bag in the navy blue, she had purchased the Coach cherry charm to embellish the bag, and it just looks so nice. It looks so cute, and I mean, especially against that navy blue. Coach has another cherry charm that they just released, and it's black, but it's got silver hardware on it, and I definitely want that charm. But I wouldn't be able to use it on any of my Dooney bags, of course, because Dooney and Burke likes to use gold and brass hardware. So, but here she is without all the wrapping. Side view. Really simple baguette style bag. Perfect size. You know, a nice small bag that will still hold a lot. You got the red zipper. It just looks so good up against Dooney leather. So let's get on the inside of her. So this is set up a little different than most of the Dooneys that I have. This is not the traditional Dooney setup. So this particular bag has a slip on each side. So there's basically a big slip on the back wall where the Dooney patch is. And then there's a big slip on the front wall. They're both lined in the ecru leather, but there's no zip compartment whatsoever in here. And then you just have your key keeper. This leather feels and smells so good. Yeah, I can already tell she's going to be a nice carry. And look at the width of this strap. This is going to be a really comfortable strap. It's not super thick, but it's thick enough. This is a nice width for the weight and size of this bag. So here she is, guys. This is the Florentine leather baguette in the color ecru. What do you guys think? Is this something that you would add to your collection? Please comment down below. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Share with someone else who you think may be interested. Subscribe also if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. And until the next time we talk, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye.